Hello, Vancouver. I'm Mayor McEnerny-Ogle, and today is Thursday, June 24th. Thank you to Judith Webb and Jeb Baldridge, our American Sign Language interpreters today. Thousands of Clark County residents and millions more across our state have received their COVID-19 vaccine. Thanks to you, family and friends are reuniting. Our economy is reopening and lives are being saved. The anticipation continues to build as we approach Governor Inslee's planned statewide reopening on June 30th. And as I mentioned in my last update, we could reopen in the next few days if our statewide vaccination rate hits 70% for those age 16 and up. As of yesterday, 68% of Washington residents 16 and older have been vaccinated. To reopen before June 30th, we need another 2% of eligible adults to get their first shot. Let's see if we can make that happen, Vancouver. While some details about the state's reopening and what it means for our community are still forthcoming, here is what we know now. As of June 30th, the state will be open for business and recreation, and people who are vaccinated can, for the most part, get back to their regular lives. Unvaccinated people will need to continue wearing masks indoors. Most business sectors will go back to pre-COVID operations with the caveat that they continue to follow workplace safety requirements issued by the State Department of Labor and Industries. Restaurants, bars, bowling alleys, and grocery stores will be fully open. Except for large indoor events like sports, concerts, and conventions, there will be no capacity or occupancy limits. However, please be aware that individual counties and businesses can still require masking, distancing, and hand washing at their own discretion. And for higher risk industries like healthcare, long-term care facilities, or places where people are not yet able to be vaccinated, masking will still be required, even among fully vaccinated people. The good news trend continues at the local level, with case rates in Clark County dropping again for the 7th consecutive week. And our vaccination rate is increasing, albeit slowly, with nearly 60% of Clark County residents 16 and older initiating vaccination as of June 21st. And remember, if you still need a vaccine, they are free and widely available at pharmacies, medical offices, and pop-up vaccination clinics throughout the county. No health insurance or proof of residency is required. And as an added incentive, if you stop by one of the 4 local vaccination sites to get your shot tomorrow, Friday, June 25th, the Vancouver Chamber of Commerce will give you a $50 gift card valid at numerous local businesses throughout Clark County. Visit Clark County Public Health's website for the latest information on local options for getting vaccinated. In addition to our state reopening, June 30th also signals the end of the statewide moratorium on evictions for renters. Today, Governor Inslee announced a bridge proclamation between the eviction moratorium end date and housing stability programs put in place by the legislature effective July 1 through September 30th. More than $650 million in federal relief dollars to assist renters is predicted to be available beginning in July. This is in addition to the $500 million previously released by the Department of Commerce to local governments for rental assistance. The bridge does not extend the existing moratorium. Under the new order, new provisions will support renters and landlords until resources and programs become available. Beginning August 1st, renters are expected to pay full rent, reduced rent negotiated with their landlord, or actively seek rental assistance funding. More details on this proclamation are expected in the next few days. In the meantime, if you are a tenant facing eviction or in need of support, the Clark County Volunteer Lawyers Program is a great resource. Finally, after more than a year of canceled events, I'm excited to share that Vancouver is looking forward to a summer season of almost pre-pandemic proportion. Vancouver Parks and Recreation's free Friday night movies in the parks are back, July 9th through August 27th. Bring blankets and lawn chairs to enjoy the big screen entertainment safely outdoors. The city also has announced a new Party in the Parks series of free, smaller scale gatherings designed to help neighbors connect and have fun while enjoying their local parks. Party in the Parks events will offer music, games, and crafts for the whole family at 8 neighborhood parks this summer. So sign up to receive email notifications about these events at the link on the screen. And while we're thrilled to be able to offer free movies and new neighborhood-focused events, the city has canceled its annual concert series this summer. The advanced planning, hiring, volunteer coordination, and fundraising that is needed to support these large-scale concerts has not been possible this year due to the reductions in staffing levels in our Parks and Recreation Department caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. We hope to see these popular concerts back in 2022. And gather your kiddos because starting today, the water feature at Esther Short Park is open for the season. Visitors to the park can dip a toe in or go through the mister to cool off during the hot weekend ahead. The Columbia River water feature at Vancouver Waterfront Park is still getting ready for summer, and we are anticipating it opening in early July. So stay tuned for more details soon. Thank you as always for joining me for today's update on COVID-19. For the latest information on city service updates, including access to virtual meetings and customer service options, please make sure to check out our COVID-19 response webpage. Have a great weekend. Stay cool. We're here for you, Vancouver.